Hi, I'm Mel and I run the blog Little Terraced House, which is a documentation of our renovation of this house in South London, which we bought about 6 years ago. And one of the things that's been on my mind for a long time is replacing our front door, which is for a few reasons, because firstly, aesthetics. We would have had a lovely original door here. The Victorian doors in this road are beautiful. They've got glazing all in the front, which lets in loads of light to the hallway and lovely stained glass. So I've always been quite jealous of my neighbours' original doors. The other, perhaps more important issue is security. Our lock has completely gone in this door, which is probably at least 10 years old. I'm not sure exactly because we don't have the guarantee. So we wanted to change the door to make sure that it was safe and secure. We've had the locksmith out 3 times in the last 3 months, so it's gradually got worse and worse. So we were looking into doors and Palladio came up as the kind of top door that we could get to make sure that it was really safe. And it comes with a 12-year guarantee as well, so we know that if anything goes wrong, we've got that to fall back on. We've chosen the colour Agate Grey, which is a nice neutral colour. We'll go with pretty much any other colour that we decide to paint the house, which we will be doing shortly after. And we get to choose all the different types of hardware, and most importantly for me, lovely stained glass window. The guys have just finished installing our door, which is looking fab. It's really brightened up the space. We've got our glazing and beautiful stained glass, which is obviously my favourite bit. We've gone for the Agate Grey colour and we've got brushed steel hardware. The thing that I love the most is that we've got this beautiful finish on the door, no more peeling paint, and it has a foil finish so it won't fade in the sunlight and will just look lovely like this forever. So I'm really pleased with how it looks. Everything's looking amazing. Thank you Palladio Doors for our lovely new front door.